Okay, let me show you our new solution for the OGeneral or Fujitsu air condition. This is a new model PCB board. It has no CN30 connector. So we need to use the Mini 6S to control this type of the model with the wired solution. Okay, let's begin the cooling model. Okay, the setting temperature on the original thermostat will dramatic change with the room temperature change, so it will be more useful for your air conditioning inverter function. Okay. If the temperature reaches the setting temperature, the indoor unit will close the compressor and just running the fan mode, running the fan just as the original thermostat do. So it will not stop the fan, just run the fan without cooling. Okay. It will be more comfortable. Let me disable the fan. Okay, the original thermostat is closed.